Good afternoon, everybody. So today I am going to be installing Canon air filter, and I'll be bringing you guys along and showing you how to do it. For anybody curious, this is the one that I decided to go with here, Canon air filter, and it's pretty easy. Basically, I'm just gonna start by undoing the bolts, getting this out of there, getting that all undone. When you're going to go ahead and take this off, go ahead and take off the sensor here. Careful in removing it, just because you don't want to break any sensors. They're a pain to fix and to get all of that back together. So we can go ahead, take this off, take the bolts off, get this piece out, undo the clamps, get this piece out all the way from there to there. We'll start with that. So it is currently the next day. It got a little too dark for me to video there, so I got it in. So put these on, put the sensor back on, bolted here, and right there on the side. Kind of put the air filter on, and so far I'm liking it. You can't really tell a difference in the sound just because my exhaust is so loud on there. So far it's running smooth. It's running a little bit better, and yeah, I like it. I'm thinking about color or getting like a high heat for engine bay, like painting this red, and also painting the two stabilizer bars red too, just to kind of match the aluminum manifold and everything. So let me know if I should do that or not, and I'll check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and
I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me.